on the air with an announcement. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning in the area of Hunker. Reporting the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning in the area of Hunker Borough.
In the area of Hunker and Newstead and Youngwood. Repeating, National Weather Service radars indicating rotation near the Newstead and Hunker Youngwood area. Westmoreland County Police Radio 2003. County Radio District 40 units additional on the tornado warning. National Weather Service reporting this storm will track towards the Latrobe Blossom Heights area, and then McChesney Town and Lohanna from 8:25 to 8:30. We'll be traveling through that area. Radio 67, 610, 69, for the possible final cloud feed in the East Huntington area.
Copy. I'm pretty cloudy state.
Obviously you can hear it, but if you're not aware, the fire department activated the siren for weather warning.
Chief 88 dispatch showing multiple funnel clouds coming across Dornburst-Eckler Road going into Brinkerton.
Receive.
Dispatch notified Norvelt and Calumet it's heading their way.
You guys reported multiple funnel clouds in area of 819 crossing Brinkerton Road heading your way.
109 Chief to dispatch. I copy that. Chief 109 to station.
And our station is manned at this time.
10-4 Chief, we got reports of multiple funnel clouds heading towards your direction.
10-4, we're looking at them right now. There's nothing touching the ground.
Chief 109 to station. Chief 109, Chief 37.
Good.
Hey, man, I'm coming out of Kecksburg. It looks like there's about 3 of them here around Huntersburg, above the golf course.
They're going past our station right now. There's a little bit of rotation, but nothing's on the ground.
That's your Chief. Chief to station.
Good, Chief.
Be advised, I'm coming through the dip at the golf course now out of Kecksburg.
That's advised. Are we reporting somewhere or staying in station?
I want my guys to stay in station at this time because if it goes, it's going to go between us and Norvelt.
That's received.
Chief 88, Chief 37.
Good.
Hey, man, I saw like 3 funnel clouds crossing my property. They kind of dissipated a little bit heading up over the ash dump, but they're definitely coming your way and towards 109 there. I don't know if there's any damage done yet.
No, it's actually past us now. It's more in the direction of Calumet, maybe Pleasant Unity, Trauger. There's nothing touching the ground. It's nowhere near the ground.
Chief 37, what's your location?
Standing beside my station, behind it.
Received. I'm going past Mark Linden's house now. It's got a little bit of rotation there above Norvelt Auto.
Yeah, it's all moved past Norvelt.
Chief 109 from Houston.
82, go.
Go out here towards St. Florian's.
I'm coming past Windy Hill now. I got a visual on it.
Dispatch Chief 88.
County Chief 109.
Dispatch Chief 88.
Chief 88, go.
105 Cannonball Court. Tree down on a house. No injuries.
633. Tornado warning, your areas.
Chief 88 dispatch. I'm having them head to the cross the tree down on 819, and then we'll move on to the second one with the tree on the building. You said there's negative entrapment on that?
Affirmative. Dispatch Chief 37.
Chief 37, go ahead.
A call from 172 Swickley Creek Road. 37-5 advising tornado was on the ground.
For me, that Cannonball Court.
That's received. Are they reporting any damage or any need for us to go out there?
Chief, they didn't state. You just said the tornado's on the ground.
But nobody hurt. Just a tree is on the residence.
2018.
You know, I got about 20 guys in station.
9 at this time. The weather is going to be north of you and Pleasant Unity moving east through the Lysippus area. 6-7 got 1959 2007 2020. 6-9, you copy that?
10-4.
There's additional weather coming behind us. It's still in Allegheny County, but as far as the cell that contains the tornado, it's past you and past your festival.
10-4 County.
County police reporting a tornado touchdown in the area of Mammoth Park, heading toward the Lysippus, Latrobe areas. County police reporting a tornado touchdown at Mammoth Park, heading towards the Lysippus, Latrobe areas.
All right, Bell Memorial Church Road and Phillips Road. Tornado has touched down in a field for approximately 10 seconds. It's starting to pick up a little bit more speed, but it is back up off the ground, but it just seems to be coming down and up. But it is headed towards the Whitney area at this time.
10-4.
10-4. Just to stay in station, correct?
Affirm at this time. Trying to contact the National Weather Service to see which direction it's going. Last seen the touching down at Mammoth Park, heading northeast.
10-11 has it moving east. I was watching it at home.
Dispatch Company 111. You have a call for us?
Spawn your commanding channel, weather approaching.
Okay, thank you.
Man your station for approaching weather.
That's received 89 acknowledges.
Fire dispatch station 73.
Lieutenant 73, go ahead, fire dispatch.
Respawn your station. Assist with evacuation, Arnold Palmer.
Okay, that's copy.
Dispatch Chief 121.
Chief 121.
All right, what was the information you're giving for 121?
Received a call from Arnold Palmer. They're evacuating the airport.
Negative. We're just sheltering in place. Who placed the call?
Stand by.
Service 39, entering Gravel Hill Road from Arnold Palmer.
Service 39 confirming you're going to the airport.
Chief 121 from assistant. Plus, yeah, Service 39, go ahead.
Confirming you're heading to the airport.
No, we're on Gravel Hill Road now for the tree down reports.
10-4. Dutch figure heading to the airport. That's received.
For approaching weather. The tornado was last seen in the Mammoth Park area. Possibly broke up and hit to the ridge. We're still attempting to confirm.
Reissued, and the last report we had was the Mammoth Park and Lysippus area.
Tornado sirens going off now. We're still currently under a tornado warning for a good portion of Westmoreland County.